Today's date is October 13th, 2024. And when the last time I was here, I was going to get set up to do a welding, my first welding video. I'm not going to do that today. I'm just kind of going to clean up. Before I was going to do that, I had to grind a point on the electrode on the where is my stuff? The tungsten tip right there. So I was trying to get it set up so I could use this universal grinder here to put, there's supposed to be collets for this, and there aren't any. You know, all this equipment that we have here is all used. So basically, I had some Delrin. I have a sheet here, which is pretty neat, and I've got a 1.5 or 2 inch over there for Delrin. So I made an adapter here. So, and the purpose of going through all of that stuff was to get used to the new MAXIMAT. And in doing that, I found out that the shear pins on the gear here were sheared. So I had to take that all apart, and I didn't have any shear pins. So I found an alternative. So I could, what was happening is I wasn't able to use my feed gears, because all these gears here were not working, because this one right here was slipping. So having said all of that, I got it set up. I've been able to work with this. I took the jaws out of the chuck and re-jawed them. Learned how to take this apart. Been working. You know, what we need to get is a real tool grinder, so that's a special wheel. So anyway, this is what we've got going here. I haven't done anything with the mill yet, but I anticipate doing something there. So this is my first part that I made on the MAXIMAT, and its purpose was to, you know, fulfill this need for a collet. So it's kind of hard to see there, but I have a 1/16 inch hole that goes all the way through this, and I haven't finished it because I got tired. It was pretty late. So anyway, you put the rod in there. Let's see here. We have that right here. See, I put some. This one I did manually, and this one I was trying to get it. So the whole idea is to be able to slide that in. You know, it's it still has to be drilled out better. Then this would come up, and we would be able to adjust the angle and put a, I think it's a 30-degree angle, but don't hold me to that. I still haven't researched that yet. So anyway, that was the whole idea, is to have a fixture, slide it in, make a uniform point, and then take it out. We could do our whole box while we're doing it. So anyway, something quick, not you know, where you could get a few built up and not have to leave the middle of the job to go sharpen your tungsten electrode. So what I'm going to do now is the welding card is all ready to go. As you can see, I got the 220 power there. I don't know how much I have argon. I think I got about 400 pounds there. That's ready. When I do tomorrow, I'll probably get it set up. So what we'll be experimenting with is using the finger activator instead of the pedal switch to activate the torch. or regulate it. And so what I'm going to be doing now is putting all the tools away, clean this up. Oh, that was the thing I wanted to film. This button, these buttons here are, that one's easy to operate, but you can't, to turn it off, you have to do this. So anyway, I got to take this apart, either fix it or come up with a better solution. So I'm inclined to use a selector switch. That way you only can do whatever function is the next one. You have to quit one and go through another. So that would be a drum switch thing. So we'll see how that evolves, but that's another video. So I'm saying bye.